We are in the digital signage area where we showcase how digital signage can improve the experience of the customers in shopping areas, in museums, in retail stores. So there's many applications and we show how digital signage can do that for all these segments. Digital signage is very strong when it gets bi-directional. So when you have the chance to interact with the system, there's many ways, touch screens for instance, or sensor integration, and also camera systems that track the audience, show relevant information for the specific target groups. For marketeers, it's important to get results out of digital signage. It's a huge investment, so here we have the chance to track which advertisement is working, how many people are visiting the store, and how the success of a digital signage campaign is working, and you can correct it and improve it in real time. We are delivering a smart platform called OMI, where Raspberry Pi computing or Intel-based processors can smartly be embedded in our displays, allowing an easy and cable-free installation. We have many digital signage experts that consult you in order to find the right hardware and software solution for your business. The strong partnerships we are running with software partners, providing a wide portfolio of different display technologies, allows us to help customers find their perfect fit solution.
NEC are at the top of their game when it comes to reliability, and you know that when you put an NEC product into any environment that you choose to, it's going to work first time and keep working. I think where NEC innovate is where you need to have scalable rollouts of different sizes of screens or different technologies. Having a single platform that you can use to manage those is really, really important. They're able to help us deliver a truly integrated solution rather than just giving us a product that we're then expected to fit in to make it work.
Mixing the entire portfolio of display devices allows you to have a more impactful digital signage application. In this example right behind me, we mixed projection and large format displays in order to create an engaging but also personal customer experience. The smart thing about projectors in digital signage is that you can project on surfaces. You can do mapping on products and create a specific atmosphere. You can bring things to life and make them more emotional and more tangible for the users in the store. Large format displays can be installed very flexibly in portrait or landscape mode, even facing up or down in order to drive different kinds of applications. Customers are focusing on LED when they want to have large, huge visual canvases. They are super bright and can be used outdoor as well. And in the end, we listen to our customer needs and deliver the technology that fits best.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.